I'm sure a lot of you guys already know that Webull gives out free stocks like candy. So I've already got my 2 free stocks from them initially after I opened up an account, and then they gave me another free stock after I deposited $100. And then they sent me an email not too long ago saying, hey, if you deposit $500, we'll give you 3 free stocks. And it was exclusively just for me. So when I say just for me, I'm saying I'm sure it's sent out to other people too, but I don't know how they pick who they send this to. But they gave me the opportunity to deposit the $500, get the 3 free stocks, and we're going to open those up and see what they are. I've been waiting to make a video about it, so I have not opened them up. If you're new to this channel is all about personal finance and investing. I do a lot of investing app reviews and financial apps. So if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe and like this video if it helps you out. All right, let's start opening up these free stocks. So I'm right here at the home page of my Webull account now. Let's see what we got. All right, wow, Apple all-time highs today. Cool. Look at that real quick. Nice. It's probably that's the highest I've ever seen Apple. All right. So anyways, all right, that was my watch list if you haven't used the Webull app before. Okay, so in order to find your stocks that you get for free, like when you open up an account or if you refer somebody to Webull, they give you a free stock. So if you use the link below, I do get a little kickback, and you can do the same after you open up your account. Okay, so what you're going to do is click menu to open your free stock, but I'm just super pumped to see what I got. Anyways, let's go over to deposit bonus. Now, since I had to deposit the $500, it was under deposit bonus. And the weird thing is, it showed up under here that I had the free stocks, and then it kind of disappeared, and I'm not sure why. But I couldn't see them again until I tapped on reward up at the top of the screen. And then I had to tap a free stock again, which I'm not sure. So if you look here, these were the 2 free stocks that I got when I opened up the account and deposited $100, which I recommend you do because it's literally free money. So they claim the second stock can be from $12 up to $1,400, just FYI. I personally don't know anybody who's got the $1,400 stock, but I'm sure there's people out there. Okay, so I got Sprint that they gave me first in this ISBC. I'm not really sure what that is, but it's worth $12. Can I tap it? No, it won't let me tap it. All right, so here's the top. You see where it says, congratulations, you get a chance to draw a free stock, and there's a little 3 beside it because I assume that's because there's 3 sitting in there for me. All right, so let's go to get. All right, first free stock is VG. I'm not sure what VG is. I'll have to look these up. So it is worth $9.33. That is so exciting. But the cool thing is, yeah, it's only $9.33, but it was just for depositing $500. And when I deposit it, I don't have to trade it. I don't have to buy stocks. I don't have to do anything with it. I just deposited $500. So they said in 30 days, you got to keep it in there for at least 30 days. So I'll probably buy some stocks with it, but technically I don't have to buy stocks with it. All right, so that's cool. So VG was worth a good bit. All right, so we're going to close that out. Let's go to the next one. All right, what do we got? What do we got? Oh, we got VG again, like crazy. No. That's interesting. They gave me 2 of the same stocks. It's like they got them on sale or something. Now they're handing them out for free. It's weird. I don't get it. I don't really understand how they pick their stocks they give out for free, but that is, I got 2 VGs in a row. Okay, so that's into that. Let's go to the next one. All right, here we go. Last free stock. Let's see what we got. VG again. Holy cow. What in the heck is VG? I am going to look up VG, and it says invite friends. Like I said, if you use the link below, like I said, they gave me a little kickback, and I'd recommend depositing $100. That way you can get your second free stock. All right. So if you look here, I got $9.34, $9.34, $9.34. Oh, they rounded up that 0.335 to 34. That's pretty sweet. And this ISBC for $12.07 and Sprint for $5.19. All of these were literally free stocks given to me, and all I had to do is deposit some money, and I didn't even have to buy stocks with it. That's so cool. All right, so let's look up VG because I'm really curious to see what that is. And just as a quick recap here, looks like we got about 40 something dollars here. That was free. That's pretty sweet. All right, so let's look up VG. I'm really curious to see what that is. Let me get my other hand on the phone here because it's a little easier to use that way. So let's look up VG. VG. All right. Vonage Holdings. I don't know what Vonage is. Let's see. There's a little. That's one thing I love about WeBull. The charts are amazing, and if you scroll down after you look up any stock, it gives you a little snippet of what it's all about. So Vonage named communications platform as a service Asia to Pacific provider of the year by Frost and Sullivan. Okay, so that's cool. And then if you click it, it takes you to the article. Pretty sweet. But yeah, so now I got 5 free stocks from WeBull. Just real quick, I just wanted to show you something. I bought Apple the other day, and it was at, if you look right here, it tells you what you bought it at $284, and it's up to $324. That's pretty sweet. And let's see, it said it filled at December 24th, 2019. So in that little bit of time, that's a significant gain, and I hope that continues to happen, but I wouldn't be too hopeful because everything that's good has come to an end at some time. So I'm sure there'll be a pullback here in the market at some point, but right now it's been running like crazy. Dividends receivable, there it is. So if you look here, ISBC paid me 12 cents. So after I got the stock for free, now it's giving me dividends, which is amazing. So now I got 12 cents, and then Apple paid me 77 cents on their earnings. And evidently Sprint didn't have any dividends, or I'll have to look that up. WeBull, if you're watching this, you need to make it easier to find the dividends history. Because I had somebody message me the other day about it, and I had a hard time finding it, but I did eventually find it. I'll go ahead and show you how my free portfolio is doing. I made a video about my free portfolio. So if you look here on the side of the screen, it looks like I'm up $40 on Apple. I'm up $3.40 on Sprint, and I'm up 35 cents on ISBC. And then I got my free stocks that's going to come in there too at some point. So that's it there, and I'll show you my M1 Finance. This is where I bought a portion of Amazon and only put $100 in on it, and it looks like we're up $20.46 on that position. All right, and then let's check Robinhood. In Robinhood, I bought a share of Microsoft with my free money that I got from credit card churning. Here's my share of Microsoft. So if we scroll down here, average cost was $157.55, and now it's up to $183.41. So that means I gained $25.86. So, you know, the free money portfolio is doing pretty well. All right, that's all I have on that. And again, if you guys haven't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to keep giving updates on my positions with my free money portfolio, and I may start adding some of my own money every other week. We'll see. Tell me what you think in the comments below if you think I should or not. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap that up. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. One thing I did want to tell you guys, if you do open up an account and deposit $100 to get the second free stock, you will have to wait 7 days for your deposit to go through. So you don't want to be checking your account like the next day after you make your deposit and get all upset saying, oh, that was BS, I didn't get a free stock. It will come, it just takes 7 days, I think it said, after the funds settle. I checked a couple times when I went to do this 3 free stocks with the $500 deposit, and I waited and waited, it seemed like. But they said it takes 7 days after the funds settle. So Just wanted to let you know. Don't get too upset waiting for it.